Hello, this is Tom Stiles, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And it's amazing how much information there is out there in the world, and you'll only scratch the surface. And one of the things that my show attempts to do is to bring you information that you wouldn't have known about otherwise in the area of shortwave radios, amateur radio, scanners, and stuff like that. Well, what is very helpful is when one of my subscribers sends me some information about something that I had no idea that it existed. And today I'm going to show you something that's, to me, pretty exciting. And without that little piece of information from one of my subscribers, I would have never known about it. Even though, since then, I've looked around on the internet, and there's lots of information about this particular item that I just didn't know about. So anyway, here we go. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about right now. And we'll start with the producer, designer of this item's website. And it's a gentleman by, and I'll go down to the bottom where his name is. Gentleman by the name of Marty Whitrock. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, Marty. And over the years, I think it's been about 3 or 4 years, he has been developing this HF up converter receiver using one of those TV dongles. Now, there's a lot of these up converters on the market, and I've tried a couple of them. And some of my subscribers have tried a couple of them, and they just didn't work that well. They just weren't very sensitive in the HF band. Well, Marty, who is an engineer, what he did is he actually designed the front end up converter himself and fabricates the boards himself and adds it to an existing TV dongle. And here's a picture right here of what it looks like. This is his board right here in the center, and here's the TV dongle. I'm not sure exactly what brand or model it is, and it's all encased in the original case for the TV dongle. So there's no add-on board, there's no extra cables you have to have. It's all self-contained. And on his website, which is at kn0ck.com/HF_SDR/. And if you go to Google and you do a Google of KN0, not O, 0, CK, you'll see that his device is mentioned several places, and I'll go to those in a few minutes. So he tells you about, and this right here is actually a video that you can play and watch it working. This is HD SDR software that it's working with right here. Here's another device which is a direct sampling receiver, so he actually has 2 devices. And then here's an example of using that using SDR Sharp. Again, it's a video you can play. And then here's an email for one of his customers. I think he told me he has over 300 customers. And then down here it says send email orders to, and it gives his name and the price. If I go back up, and the one I was interested in is this top one, is $75 plus $6 shipping for a total of $81. So, like I say, I was completely oblivious to this. Did not know about it, but one of my subscribers told me about it, sent me the link to this web page, and that's where I got interested. I contacted Marty, and he sent me a demo copy of this particular device, this up converter, and he also sends a package with instructions with pictures and everything of how to set up the software, which a lot of times people get confused and just kind of give up because they can't get the software working properly because there's no instructions. Well, Marty prevents detailed instructions on a CD, and he provides the latest version of, in this case, the HD SDR software. Although it's free, but there it is right there for you, so you don't have to go find it either. And I have done some testing of this, and the next couple of videos I'll show you the test results. And I'll show you some other. Here's what I did is I went to Google and did a search on KN0CK, and this is, I think, the second page. Yes, this is the third page. So there's a lot of websites that talk about him and his receiver. Here's the first page, and here's his website, which is the second entry. And then there's other ones, and I'll go to them quickly. Here's another one on the website rtl-sdr.com, which if you're into software-defined radios and these TV dongles, this is a very good source, and there it is. It talks about this particular up converter, and this was posted last year, June of last year, so it's been around for a while. Here's another one. This is KF7LZE blog. Again, it talks about his dongle, or his modified dongle, and he's in the fifth revision of this, so he's been constantly upgrading it and improving it. And as you'll see in my future videos, it's pretty impressive. And then here's one more website. This is hamstream.nl. Again, it talks about his dongle. This was posted January of 2014. And so if you go to his webpage, this one right here, and you use this email address, you can contact him and make arrangements for ordering one of these. And like I say, the price is for the one I got is $75 plus $6 shipping, $81, and it's well worth it, as you will see in my upcoming videos. So I just wanted to let you know about that. I'm pretty excited about it myself. It's pretty impressive. He's done an excellent job. It does work from, let's see, it says right here, 0.5 megahertz AM band all the way up to the 6 meter band. So it's got pretty wide coverage. So you can read some more about this, and you will be impressed on his device in my upcoming shows. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this show, please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye.